Alright, we're trying to figure out what's the equation from the table of values. So we're trying to do it manually this time. You can use the graphic calculator as well, but it's also good to know the methods of it. So first of all, we want to figure out what's the difference of each step. So from 13 to 17, it's plus 4. So make sure you put the plus or minus on the side, so it's telling you is a positive or negative, okay? Then 17 to 21 is still plus 4, and I got plus 4. Nice. Right? It's a good practice to check your x value. It's not always going to go up by 1. So 5 to 7 is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay? So we can tell on our first difference, so this is a first difference, we already got a constant value. So I know this is going to be a linear equation. For linear equations, the formula is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, I'm going to use a different color pen. So y equals to mx plus c. First of all, my m is my gradient. That is my rise over run. The different way of writing it is the change in y divided by the change in x. Okay, the change in y is plus 4. So it's a positive 4. The change in x is a positive 2. Okay, just putting the plus there to tell you it's a positive number. So 4 divided by 2, your m, your gradient is 2. Okay. Second one, c is my 0 term. So this is when x is equals to 0, y is equals to c. Okay, so I want to figure out when x is equal to 0, what is your y will be. So we probably need to work a bit backward in this case. So I'll say when 7, 5, maybe the next one will be 3. When it's 3, then that will be, take away 4, it will be 9. Okay, then I can go up to 1 when it's 1, because the difference is always the same, so that it should be 4 there. And then when it's 1, 9, take away 4, it should be 5. Okay. We have a bit trouble here. Can I know what is 0 and then what it will be? So every time it go plus 4, when this part of it go plus 2, right? So now this it's going to plus 1, and I can look at my gradient and tell for every step, every one step, it's the difference is 2. So I know the difference here going to be 2. Okay, so it's going to be something plus 2 equals to 5. So that is 3. From my table, I work it out my 0 term. When my x is 0, my y is 3. So c will be equals to 3. Okay, because when it's 0, that is 3. So I have this value, I have this value on. I can write y equals to 2x plus 3 there.